ले लेंगे.
Okay, student. Now, third point, transport. Transport it is a very important points, important part of the trade. Without transport, we cannot send our goods and services to one plus another place. So it is a very important points here. Transport we can divide into two categories: land transport and waterway. And this both transport were exist in ancient time. First, land transport. Land transport means road has assumed a key role in the entire process of growth. We know very well, because since ancient time, so many people, most of the people use this road. During the earlier, this was only the unmetal road, either moving in the from the forest area. But nowadays it's used as metal road. We can say Pakka road also nowadays. The northern roadways route has changed from Bengal to Takshila, and there were also some trade route in south spreading east to west. Trade route were widely suitable for speed and safety for the especially most of the people, and through this road, so many merchants from the east, from the India to move our foreign countries like West Asia countries, Chinese and China and other. They export so many commodities from India, such like black pepper, spices, diamond, pearls, cotton, etc. They sell their product in West Asia country through the land transport. Now, water transport. Water transport. It means maritime trade was another important way of globe trade in the southern part of Malabar coast, which Mussoorie is the situated, has a long history of international trade. Through this port, international trade was exist. Black pepper, known as the black gold, it was a trade through this route, and most of these foreign country use these spices, and India for spices that lead to discovery of America by the Columbus. Next, another port on the Calicut coast was a popular, that was even visited by Chinese ship to acquire essential item from Middle East, as well as the black pepper, diamond, pearl, cotton from India. On this Coromandel coast, Pulicat was a major port, and textile was a major export from the Pulicat to Southeast Asia. It means we can say that both way of transport, waterway and roadways, play very important key role in the expansion of trade and commerce in India. Now, trading community. Now, trading communities in different part of a country, different community dominated in different trades. We know very well India is a vast country, so India divided in 4 sectors. First, in northern, south sector, east and west. So in different part of India, different people live there, different language, different culture, different way of trading. So in the northern region, first we study about northern region. In northern region, Punjab, Multani merchants handle the business. In North India, most of the 2 category people, Punjabi and Multani merchants, handle this business. In the western part of India, Mahajans were managing trade, Mahajans, and some people Marwadi also, some doing some business, Marwadi, and some local Banjaras. In the south, Chetais were important traders. In east of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Bharts manage the trade. Bhat and Bhat. Yeah, okay. Next, Fifth, in the urban center, Mahajan community is spreading the chief called Nagar Seth. Group active in the urban areas were Hakim and Walid, physician, Wakils, lawyer and mullahs, teacher, painters, musician, calligrapher. There were so many other dominant groups. They performed their activity in this sector. Now, next, major trade centers. Okay. Now, fifth point, major trading center. Okay, which are the prominent major trading center? It means from the which particular place the people start their business, either they export, import goods and services. This prominent center, there are so many leading trading center in ancient India. Patliputra, Peshawar, Patliputra, Peshawar, Mathura, Varanasi, etc. Okay. These were prominent trading center during the ancient time. From these centers, most of the people doing their business, and from other among them Surat, Mithila, Ujjain, Kachi, Madura. There are so many other important trading centers that exist during the ancient time. Now, major export and import. 6 point. Major exports and imports commodity. Okay, 6 point, major export and import commodity. Okay. So many people engage in this sector, and mention about the prominent trading center. They export and import. What commodity they export and what commodity they import in India? First, we study about the spices, wheat, sugar, indigo, opium, sesame oil, cotton, parrot, live animal producing like hides, spin, fur, horn, etc. These were prominent commodity which exports from India through the other foreign countries, and some other important commodity which import in India, including horse, animal product, and Chinese silk, plum, lion, wine, gold, silver, tin, copper, rubies, etc. This prominent commodity were imported in India during ancient time. Okay. Thank you.